My balls hot, fam. Oh! Who wants to pay for an ancient reincarnated healer woman to come suck, take my pain away? Since na Chioma si na ebela na ebe n'isi agaghị ere ka ọ na ife eliri eli ese n'itere na what's that I see on your face? Wanna go be your own hero. On a less serious note, imagine you have a child or a partner and you live with them in the same house. You see them every day. You are with them all through the day. Which of these do you think you care for the most? 1. For them to act like they don't see you. They eat every day but they ignore you. They don't commune with you. When they fall down, they shout Jesus. But they compensate you and kill 2 elephants for you every week or month or year. 2. For them to only eat with you, commune with you on one specific market day, one time that day, and every other day you don't exist. Or 3. For them to recognize you in the morning. Good morning, partner. Come, let's eat this cola. And speak good things, declarations, affirmations on this day. For them to recognize you when they bring a glass of water and Ndu Miri Bondo Azu. Let's share this water, partner. Miri Atana. Azu Auna. Gargle some of the water. And say, Iloma, if I ask, I'll receive. Use some of that water and wash your face and say, Iruama, in my business, in my affairs. Makaniru di madron me tumbo. Use that holy communion water and say, Mbona kanri, Bona keb, Bona azuboniru. For them to pick up whatever, say, buy an orange from the road, right? And say, let this sweet fruit be a covenant of sweetness between I and you, partner. For them to pick up a bitter cola and say, let's share this bitter cola, partner, mama, and let it remove any bitterness, any bitter energy from me, from my body, from my aura, which sounds like aura actually. So in which of these 3 ways would you prefer your child or your partner treats you? If you want to know how to approach your mom, simple, think obologia, obologi. You know what I'm saying? Thanks guys for all the love. Continue streaming Holy Ezumezu. It is an Ego for tutorial. Yagazi.